Give me 1 minute and I'll save you hours. Every invoice email will auto-log into a Google Sheet. No code, totally free. Open Google Sheets and create a new file called Important Emails Log. Add 4 columns: from, subject, date, link. Now go to make.com and create a new scenario. Add Gmail, watch emails. If you want precision, first make a Gmail label and filter for invoice, then select that label here. Otherwise, use a query like subject, invoice, or subject order. Add Google Sheets, add a row, choose your spreadsheet and map the fields from subject, subject, date, and for link, use message URL so you can jump back to the email in one click. Click run once and send yourself a test email. If a new row appears, you're good. Turn the scenario on and set the schedule. Every 15 minutes is perfect. That's it. A simple automation that never forgets. Subscribe for more quick wins and check the description for the step-by-step Notion guide.